In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam on Android. I'll walk you through each tap, share what to look for, and offer a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is where you safely get apps. You can usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. If you don't see it right away, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the full list of apps and search for Play Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Wi-Fi is best if you want the download to be quick and avoid using mobile data. If the Play Store asks you to sign in or update, follow the prompts. That's normal and helps keep your download secure and compatible with your device. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type Steam. You're looking for the official app listing that says Steam by Valve Corporation. That developer name is important. Valve Corporation is the company behind Steam, and checking the publisher helps you avoid lookalike apps. You'll also notice the familiar Steam logo and a large number of installs and reviews. If you see multiple results, choose the one with Valve Corporation listed clearly as the developer. Taking a second here to confirm the publisher ensures you're getting the genuine app with proper security and updates. When you found the correct listing, tap Install. The Play Store will start downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress indicator that shows how far along it is. If you're on mobile data, the download might pause depending on your settings. Switching to Wi-Fi can help. If you get a message about storage space, consider freeing up room by removing unused apps or large files. You might also see a brief permissions or terms prompt. Just review and continue as needed. Installation time varies based on your internet speed and device performance, so give it a moment. You'll know it's finished when the button changes to an open option and you'll see Steam added to your app list. That's it. Once the installation completes, you're all set. If the install button isn't available in your region or on your device, it could be due to compatibility or local restrictions. Checking your Android version and ensuring the Play Store is updated often helps. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps exactly, and you'll have Steam downloaded on your Android with confidence.